me see if I can get some of this out there. I'll just cut it there. Still hot. That's beautiful, beautiful stuff. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, that is lovely. So I've got eggplants, tomato, parmesan, bang, in the oven, delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so you saw me get the eggplants together. You just cut them, you know, fairly thin. I'll show you them again a bit later. Fry them off. Didn't want to waste too much time on that, to be honest. Okay, we're going to make a quick tomato sauce. I've got 2 cans of tomatoes there. They're a whole tomato. I'm going to crush them up a little bit with my hand before they go in. 1 onion, decent size onion, cut nice and small. Tablespoon of garlic chopped, 3 teaspoons of oregano. We're going to start this off with some olive oil, add a little bit of salt and pepper. Okay, so I've just got a pan here. Got some olive oil in there. The heat's on medium, just put it on now. Let's drop in our onion and our garlic. And don't be shy with your garlic. I said that's a tablespoon. It might actually just be a little bit more. We're going to go with some salt. We're going to go with some black pepper. And we can just drop our oregano in now, dried oregano in now. Let's get this going. Medium heat, about 4 minutes. There we go, 4 minutes, medium heat. Very simply, we're going to grab those 2 cans of tomatoes, which I've crushed roughly with my hand. We're going to go for about 6 or 7 minutes again on a medium heat. Now, if you wanted, let's drop a couple of olives in there. Maybe a bit of chili, some other different herb. You know, if you want something like that. I'm keeping it really nice and straight today, just like this. Yeah, just want to cook those tomatoes out. A nice, quick, easy sauce we're going to make here. 6, 7 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. Okay, off goes the heat. That's it. We've got a really simple sauce done. So eggplants are done. Really easy tomato sauce is done. Let's get it together. So you're going to need some tray or pan that can go into the oven. I'm using metal. You can use ceramic or glass. It's up to you. Simply, I'm going to put a layer of eggplants there. So there's 1 layer of our eggplants. I'm just now going to get some of our sauce on top. You don't want to do crazy amounts of sauce. Just a nice thin layer. I've got some finely grated Parmesan cheese here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to repeat the process. So eggplant, tomato, Parmesan, blah, 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 blah. You get the picture. Okay, and to that I'm going to add a bit of cheese. I've got some cheddar here to go on the top. You could use a different cheese if you wanted. I've also got a little bit of cream cheese, like a Philadelphia cheese, you know. I like that on there. If you want to get a bit of gorgonzola on there or some blue cheese maybe, if that tickles your fancy, up to you. Or even maybe a feta if you want. And then a nice big one handful of the cheese. Round it goes. Nice cheddar. It's quite a mild cheddar, this one. Not very strong. Then a little bit more oregano, dried on the top. Now, you need your oven preheated, nice and hot. Get it as hot as you can. Maximum heat. Everything's there, it's cooked. You know what we're looking for, don't you? We're looking for a nice kind of golden bit of loveliness on it. So yeah, it's going to go in my oven. It's probably going to be about 12 to 15 minutes in my oven. But like I say, you know what we're looking for. See you when it comes out. Okay, and that was actually about 14, 15 minutes in my oven. It's absolutely beautiful, that is. Very, very simple to make. Hope you enjoy that. See you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for checking out our videos. We're currently steaming ahead to actually reaching nearly 100 million views, which is fantastic. I think we've got over 3,000 uploads now. We've really been going at it since I think 2012 we started back in the day. But yeah, thanks so much for watching our videos. Please do give us a thumbs up. It really does help us out a great deal, and also leave a comment. We do like to hear from you. Now, what we've been up to, so lots going on. We're now based in Bahrain. We're here for a little while in the kitchen here, which is fantastic. We're having a great time. Kids are really enjoying themselves. We are cooking away at a rapid rate, trying to do this new series called Eating with Locals, where I want to go and eat with different, people from different nationalities and eat their food and have a little chat, see if I can learn something. Hoping this COVID thing's gonna shift. Don't know when it's gonna happen, but maybe soon. If it does, I'm gonna get back on the road. I want to get back on an aeroplane, as I'm sure many of you do as well, and get out there and sort of, see the sights, taste some food and meet some people. It would be fantastic if you would buy us a cup of coffee. Help us along with the channel. We're not funded in any way, we're self-funded. We don't endorse any products. There's a link down below. If you would like to buy me a coffee, a couple of dollars or whatever you want, just follow the link. That would be fantastic. That's about it. We're doing great, and we hope that you're doing fine, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.